All parties Hurriyat Conference has demanded a stern action against former Indian Army's Rashtriya Rifles Sector Commander Brigadier Ajay Kotage and all other Indian Army officers and soldiers involved in the killing of innocent Kashmiri youth in staged encounters. All parties Hurriyat Conference leaders, while reacting to the award of life imprisonment to Indian Army's Captain Bhupinder Singh for being found guilty of killing 3 laborers named Abrar, Ibrar and Imtiaz in a fake encounter in Amshipura area of Shopian on 18 July 2020, said that Brigadier Ajay Kotage was equally responsible for the gruesome massacre. Senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Nayeem Ahmed has made it clear to the Modi regime in India that it cannot change the ground realities in the occupied Kashmir by implementing its Hindutva agenda, and sooner or later New Delhi will have to accede to the UN-sponsored settlement of the Kashmir dispute. Nayeem Ahmed Khan, who is under illegal detention in India's Tihar jail, in a message deplored that not only the civil and legal rights of the people of Jammu and Kashmir have been taken away, but also their basic human and religious rights have been snatched. In what appears to have learned no lesson from humiliating defeat on February 27, 2019, following February 19, 2019 strike on Balakot at the hands of Pakistan Air Force, Haryana Minister and Bharatiya Janata Party leader Kamal Gupta has joined the Hindutva-led Central Indian government's mantra that New Delhi will attack Azad Kashmir in next 3 years and capture it. Addressing an event, Kamal Gupta said, "We paved the way for the construction of Ram Mandir. We abrogated Article 370. Today there are protests taking place in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir's Muzaffarabad and other places wanting integration with the India." People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti has said the sale of Royal Gulf Spring is another example of how the Modi government is developing this region post-August 5 unilateral action of revoking Jammu and Kashmir's special status. Reacting to the latest order on Srinagar golf course, Mehbooba Mufti, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said, "Everything has been put on sale. This is yet another step to sell our assets to non-local businesses." Anti-India protests triggered by one after another anti-Kashmiris move by the Modi regime have spread from Patan to Khanpura areas of Baramulla district, with protests including men, women and children blocking the Baramulla-Uri highway for hours. After Patan, residents of Khanpura area of Baramulla district also assembled in the area and staged a sit-in protest in Baramulla-Uri highway, blocking the road for several hours. The protesters were gathered to record their agitation against the installation of fast-running electricity meters. A seminar on the subject of political detainees was organized at the Press Club of India in New Delhi, in which many political and social figures, apart from journalists and legal experts, participated. Senior journalist and United Peace Alliance chairman Mir Shahid Salim represented Jammu and Kashmir in the seminar. He appealed to the civil society of India to play their key role to bring out the people of Jammu and Kashmir out of their difficulties and their sufferings. Posters that have again appeared in Srinagar and other areas of the Kashmir Valley said that holding of G20 summit in the UN-designated disputed Jammu and Kashmir by India will be a high disgrace to the blood of the people of occupied territory. Posters have said that G20 summit in the UN-designated disputed territory is a disgrace of blood and sentiments of the enslaved people of the territory. Posters were displayed by pro-freedom organizations including Jammu and Kashmir People's Resistance Party, Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Movement, Jammu and Kashmir Resistance Movement, and Students and Youth Forum. A day after an Indian Army colonel died of a heart attack in Baramulla, an Indian Central Reserve Police Force constable also expired from the same ailment in Srinagar on Monday. CRPF constable named as Rohiram of 3rd Battalion complained of chest pain while running during a training in Srinagar. He was moved to hospital where doctors declared him dead.